Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install the programs that are not compatible with the old version of Android or update your programs. First of all, let me go ahead and check Netflix. If there is, as you see, there is not even Netflix coming up on Android here because mine is not compatible with Netflix. Basically what I'm using is, I'll show you, this is the program that you can use, HeadUnit. I don't know how to pronounce that, but this is the Google Store, Google Play Store, and you can download. Let me go to Netflix right there. I already installed it before. I don't need to install it again, but see, as you see, it's updating. Do you want to install? Yes, I want to install. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but just wait. When you try to upgrade your Android, there is a possibility you can break it. When you break it, there is no going back. That's why I don't suggest to update that or upgrade that. Like, there is a program and you can just download Netflix from there instead of Google Play Store. Let me go ahead and check it. Okay, Netflix is over there. Okay, it's already updated. Okay, that's it. Thank you.